inexpensive optical device that focuses or disperses a light beam by means of refraction. A simple lens consists of a single piece of transparent material, while a compound lens consists of several simple lenses, usually arranged along a common axis. Types of lenses. The classification of a lens depends on how the light rays bend when they pass through the lens. The two main types of lenses are convex lens or converging lens, concave lens or diverging lens.
Convex lens. An optical lens is generally made up of two spherical surfaces. If those surfaces are bent outwards, the lens is called a bioconvex lens or simply convex lens. A convex lens, which is also called as a converging lens or positive lens, is thicker in the middle and thinner at the edges. Uses of convex lens. Used in magnifying glasses. Convex lens used in eyeglasses. Concave lens. A concave lens is a type of lens that diverges a straight light beam coming from the source of diminished upright virtual image. Is known as concave lens. It can form both real and virtual images. Concave lenses have at least one surface curved inside. A concave lens is also known as diverging lens. Used in telescope and binoculars. Concave lens used in glasses. Concave lenses are also used in lasers and also used in camera lens. Bifocal contact lenses generally have two prescriptions in the same cell. The two prescriptions are used to correct near vision and distance vision. Bifocals are commonly prescribed to people with presbyopia who also require a correction for myopia hypermetropia. Cylindrical lens. A cylindrical lens is a lens which focuses light into a line instead of a point, as a spherical lens would.
The main defects of vision are myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia, astigmatism, color blindness, and cataract. Myopia. Nearsightedness, also known as short-sightedness or myopia, is an eye disorder where light focuses in front of instead of on the retina. This causes distant objects to be blurry while close objects appear normal. Causes of myopia. Myopia arises due to the decrease in focal length of the lens due to the following reasons: excessive curvature of eye lens, elongation of the eyeball. Symptoms: headaches, squinting, eye strain, eye fatigue. Children with myopia often have difficulty in reading the blackboard at school. Remedy: myopia can be corrected by using a concave lens of appropriate power. A concave lens of suitable power will bring back the image back on the retina. Diagnosis and treatment. When you have myopia, your prescription for glasses or contact lenses will be a negative number. Eye surgery can improve your vision. You may no longer need to wear glasses or contacts. The most common procedures of myopia are photorefractive keratectomy and LASIK.
Hypermetropia. Hypermetropia, also known as long-sightedness or far-sightedness, is a condition of the eye where distant objects are seen clearly but near objects appear blurred. Correction for hypermetropia. Basic principle of therapy is to converge and focus the light rays on the retina with the help of a convex lens. Causes of hypermetropia. Hypermetropia occur when the axial length of eyeball is too short or if the lens or cornea is flatter than normal. Symptoms: trouble focusing on nearby object, headaches, blurry vision, eye strain, fatigue or headache after you do a close-up task such as reading. Treatment for hypermetropia. Traditional correction. Glasses or contact lenses in the form of positive lenses. Surgical correction. The two surgical procedures available are laser eye surgery and clear lens extraction.
Presbyopia results from growth of equatorial diameter of the lens. With the age, the periblendicular space is reduced and ciliary muscle contracted no longer thence the zuneus and expanded coronary. Causes for premature presbyopia: uncorrected hypermetropia, premature sclerosis of crystalline lens, presenile weakness of ciliary muscle, chronic simple glaucoma. Treatment for presbyopia correction: eyeglasses, contact lens, monovision LASIK, multifocal LASIK, corneal inhalation.
Astigmatism. Astigmatism is a type of refractive error in which the eye does not focus light evenly on the retina. Causes. Astigmatism occurs when your cornea or lens is curved more steeply in one direction than in another. Astigmatism may be present from birth or it may develop after an eye injury, disease or surgery. Other refractive errors. Astigmatism may occur in combination with other refractive errors which include nearsightedness or myopia, farsightedness or hypermetropia. Symptoms. Signs and symptoms of astigmatism may include blurred or distorted vision, eye strain or discomfort, headaches, difficulty with night vision, and squinting. Remedies. Corrective lenses, that means glasses or contacts. Refractive surgery. Treatment. Astigmatism treatments, glasses, contact lenses, laser eye surgery.
Color blindness. Color blindness occurs when you are unable to see color in a normal way. It is also known as color deficiency. Causes. Color blindness is a genetic condition caused by a difference in how one or more light-sensitive cells found in the retina of the eye respond to certain color. Symptoms. Trouble seeing colors and the brightness of colors in the usual way. Inability to tell the difference between shades of the same or similar color, except in the most severe form. Color blindness does not affect the sharpness of vision. Treatment for color blindness. There is no known cure for color blindness. Contact lenses and glasses are available with filters to help color deficiency if needed. Cataract. A cataract is a clouding of the normal clear lens of your eye. A cataract is a dense cloudy area that forms in the lens of your eye. Causes. Most cataract develop when aging or injury changes the tissues that make up your eye's lens.
Symptoms. Signs and symptoms of cataract include clouded, blurred or dim vision, increasing difficulty with vision at night, sensitivity of light and glare. Treatment for cataract. Surgery. Cataract surgery is a procedure to remove the lens of your eye and in most cases replace it with an artificial lens.
Microscope. A microscope is an instrument used to see objects that are too small to be seen by naked eye. A simple magnifier or microscope is a converging lens of small focal length. In order to use such a lens as a microscope, lens is held near the object, one focal length away or less, and the eye is positioned close to the lens on the other side. A simple microscope has a limited maximum magnification for realistic focal lengths. For much larger magnifications, one uses two lenses, one compounding the effect of other. This is known as a compounding microscope. Telescope. Telescope is used to provide angular magnification of distant objects. It also has an objective and eyepiece. The objective has a larger focal length and much larger aperture than eyepiece. Light from distant object enters objective and a real image is formed in tube at its second focal point. The eyepiece magnifies this image, producing a final inverted image. Modern telescopes uses mirror instead of lens. Telescopes with mirror objectives are called reflective telescopes. There is no chromatic aberration in a mirror. Using convex secondary mirror to focus incident light which now passes through a hole in objective primary mirror is known as a Cassegrain telescope. It has advantages of large focal length in a short telescope. Largest telescope in India is in Kavalur, Tamil Nadu.
Lens is a transparent optical device used to converge and diverge transmitted light and to form images. They are extremely useful in our daily life. They are used in the medical eyeglasses either for reading or walking. The lenses are used in designing some optical devices such as telescopes, which are used for forming enlarged images for the heavenly bodies. It is also used in microscopes, which are used for forming magnified images of the tiny bodies that cannot be seen with our naked eye.